Children, let's continue with our lesson here. Where we have stopped, see, we have come to the end. We have seen how Robinson Crusoe with the help of Friday has built the boat. So here he was a sailor. So he knew how to, what are the things need, with a proper boat, with a good boat, even other things, as he said, the mast, the sail is nothing but the cloth which I explained, as you see, and the rudder. Normally in the if you have seen a river, in that small boats, even they have this rudder. So how it is very important in a boat, he made us understand also Friday. So here Friday, after Crusoe helped him with the rudder how to use, he became really a good sailor. So let's see the paragraph here. When in page number 22, children, when the boat was all ready, I taught Friday how to use the rudder, and he became a good sailor. But we had to wait for good weather, for it was now fall. So everything was ready. Now they must start their journey. If you remember, Friday told that yes, we can, if we have this kind of large boat, we can go to my island, means to their place. They can start their journey, but no, that was not the right time. Why? Because when we sail in the sea or ocean, so especially sea or ocean, the weather condition, here the climate really matters a lot, because see, when even anybody, when you are traveling for long in the aeroplane, even they see the weather condition, because it should not be cloudy, the sky should be very clear. In the same way, when we sail in the sea, okay, when we are journey in the sea, we should see, because of the storm, heavy wind, there can be a storm in the sea, so the waves could really get violent, big waves they have to face. So that's why a good weather is needed. And he says it was time for fall. What do you understand by fall here? It is a season, autumn season. Here fall is nothing but from September to October season. October or November, like that. Okay, that is a season where normally in India we consider as rainy season. Understand? So normally we are in the northern hemisphere side. Southern hemispheres, when they were, for them it is in March and May month. That month they get it. Understand? Are you getting? Okay. So for us it is September to October. Even he was going actually to Africa side. First, as I told you. So even it was month for them also the same. So it was fall. So they have to wait, because most probably the rainy season that time. So here September to November, the autumn. What do you call the autumn there? Autumn season. The fall is nothing but the autumn season here. Okay, I had been on the island 26 years. So he says we can't start our journey in this season. So they have, for now, though the boat was ready, they did not go further. They did not start their journey. So he had been on this island for how many? 26 years. 26 years together. Okay, 3 years who stayed here? Robinson Crusoe. For 26 years he was alone in this island. Okay, but Friday, he met Friday 3 years before. Just 3 years. Okay, children, understand here? For before that he was alone. So he had stayed how many years? 26 years, children. Okay, I kept this anniversary with a grateful heart. Because here grateful heart, underline the word children, grateful heart means loving heart. Normally when conditions are you are facing very difficult situations, but somehow somehow you get the strength, the situations, normally it supports you somehow, and you make your living, you somehow it runs, that is called means you then you take those things with a grateful heart. That means in bad times also somewhat I managed. That is when you accept those things like that, it becomes a grateful heart. So he remembers, though it was not easy for him to stay in this island alone. You can imagine how hard it is to live there, but he managed, not 1 year, 2 years, how many? 26 years. That's why he says, these memories I keep to myself in my heart with a grateful heart. That means he is thankful. The last 3 years had been the happiest of my life here. As I said, he met Friday, the last 3 years. Okay, so it was the happiest because for Friday had been a faithful and true friend to me. Because he's saying for Friday it is good. Friday made it really nice because he's a very faithful, means loyal, trustworthy. You can trust someone, then you can say faithful person. Okay, you can trust someone blindly, then they become faithful, trustworthy. And he was a good friend, true friend to him, to Crusoe. I had brought the boat up the creek to keep it safe from the storms. So what he did, whatever the boat they prepared, through a small stream. Creek is nothing but a small river or stream what is passed in a lane. So from there he bought that that boat and put it on the shore. Why? Because storms may come, the boat may get spoiled. Understand? So what he did Friday, had covered it so thickly with the boughs of trees that the rain could scarcely get through at all. So here the boughs, large branches of trees. So he covered, who covered? Friday. So in such a way he covered, that means totally, because when when it is raining or with storms, it may get damaged, their new boat. So he covered it with what? Branches, leaves, boughs together. Nicely he covered it. Scarcely, underline the word scarcely, children. That means hardly or almost not, only, just can't. So rain couldn't enter or water couldn't enter. So rain could scarcely grow through at all. That means it can't go at all. In that way he covered the boat. Then we waited for November and December, at which time we intended to start on our voyage. Then they waited. Everything was ready for their journey from that island to Friday's island. Okay. So that's now they are waiting for the month of November and December to come, so they can start their journey. At which time we intended, underline the word, children, that means planned. When we have planned, actually they have planned to start the journey in November or December, to start on our voyage. Here voyage, underline the children, is nothing but a long journey by sea. Long journey by sea. When you start your journey into the water, through water to reach somewhere, any place, that journey in the ship, boat, whatever, it is called voyage. What is called? Voyage. Okay children, here this is a beautiful story, just a part, simple part, how Robinson Crusoe is a very, as I said, very good book about his journey throughout, adventurous, how sea life was, how he met with many people like that. So this was just a part where he met Friday. He met a friend, unknown person, became a good friend to him. And that too very, sometimes in normally in your class also, you meet a new, if someone new joining, and within few days they became so good friend of you, because you like them, they are very good to you, and good things, they are very good, they have very good manners in them, so they became good to you. In the same way, even you people have some qualities in like that, where when we are good, everybody would like to make friend with us. We should have good manners inside us. Yes or no, children? We should what are the good manners? Honesty, being truthful, being always kind to others, good words we should use, good language we should use to others. We should not speak bad about others in their absence. Understand? So these are the good qualities if we have inside us. If have in us, then no one would hate us or won't like to be friend with us. So if you remember, in the very first I have discussed about the theme. What was the theme here? Friendship. So how this lesson defines friendship? Friendship of whom? Friendship of Robinson Crusoe and Friday. So how they became friend? So how Robinson couldn't trust him first, but when they spent time he knew that really Friday is a very good man, and they both became very good friend. And one more thing here is what was the one more thing? Empathy, how it is? Being kind, because here Robinson Crusoe was really very kind to whom? Friday. Yes or no? Though he was unknown, he saved his life. So to strangers also, we can be good. It's not that only to our known persons we should be good. Even to strangers, we don't know someone, no need to be rude to them. You can be good. Kind words are always good. Kind words will help us to build a good relation between, among anyone, if you want to develop that. Understand, children? So here it is about the lesson Crusoe's friend from the book Robinson Crusoe. Okay.